Matching V logo too. Are you okay?
64, 66, we can take it up to 1500, no problem. Okay.
Good afternoon.
So what's up?
What's up, big boss? Who all over there? Okay.
What's going on?
This is officially the second vlog of Habibi Sauce Performance and Tuning. Officially. And as y'all can see, as always, it's always some type of street racing, something on the video, something with cars on the TV when we come in. Every time. So if you are coming here, be prepared. Watch a whole bunch of racing on YouTube while you sitting there waiting for your car. But let's go around and see where everybody is at. See, the fuel is always there. Come in, see fuels and everything. Dyno right here. Nothing on there right now, but it's coming, it's coming, it's coming. And there we go. Now we got some people over here working.
What's up, guys?
What's up? What's up? I ain't gonna lie. I don't think I introduced you in the last video, did I?
No, you didn't.
Hey, what's your name, bro?
AZ.
AZ.
Yes, sir.
You know what your nickname is?
Huh? Yeah, that is my nickname.
Nah, it's gonna be all purpose. It's gonna be all purpose.
First name too?
Nah, it's his first name too.
Alright, what are you guys doing?
If you own an Escalade-V, you know the pain. Get back there.
Oh boy.
Oh, hold on, boy. Hold on.
Oh, and we got another bandit. Let me see it. It's upside down. It's upside.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
Yep.
You a dealer now?
We're a dealer. We got literally every driven product. Braking oil, GP1, BR, every kind of oil, and we're still crazy.
Dang.
Got a lot in stock.
That's the oil man right here.
Yep.
Okay. Well, we got some 10W40, 20W50. That's for them built motors.
Braking oil. 1040 braking, 530 braking, 2050 GP1. We love the HPX actually. That we use that for coyotes. We got little every kind of.
We got wake switches too.
Yep.
Dang. I ain't gonna lie. How about you send me something for the low end and I'll start selling them out at
Sure.
That's how you make me some money.
You get your employee discount.
Okay.
2.5%.
2.5. Do with that. Okay. Escalade-V. They saw this earlier on the. Look at this.
Alright. We did cock and bone stock. Built motor, piston rods, 4-wheel blower, upper lower, 112 throttle body, LMP intake, cash can. Still not clean yet. Yeah, we just literally finished it and got it off the lift. Yeah.
It's super bright.
You want to show the wheels?
Yeah.
Headers, still on 93.
Matching V logo too. Jeez. That big old intake, y'all. Super clean. I'm gonna show the interior before he come back over here. Look at this.
Here's some chop.
Oh yeah, for sure. Escalade-V stopping is crazy. Imagine you pull up to a stoplight and you hear this. Oh my God. He made him move. He made the valve closed. You made him leave. He left. Ooh. Look at this door. I ain't love. Cadillacs are too nice for me. Got some Data log. We got the good code reader. Let's put this in the back seat. Yo, look at these. Look at these seats, bro. This is crazy. It's crazy. Wait, did they close? They got soft close?
Yeah. I'll try and leave it up. Alright, so we go setting.
Whoa! Yo. What is this, a Rolls Royce?
You want to see this?
You want to take your legs off?
Sorry, Ashley.
Oh, you can't slam it. You can't slam the door?
Yeah.
Dang! You get an argument with your lady, she can't slam your door. That's crazy. You got massage seats?
An Escalade-V, Ty.
I ain't never, you feel me, this too fancy.
Roll. We got wave. You like the wave.
Ooh! I don't think you can hear that chop outside. It's crazy to hear an Escalade sound like this, bro. Nothing but a big CTSV, right?
Big CTSV.
Huge CTSV, that's what it is. Person in the street. This big old thing moving, bro.
Almost wheelied. That was Dana looking at it. I was like, let me do first gear pull. And lifted the whole front end, dude.
Oh my god. Oh, it's too much. It's too much. It's too much.
I need my laptop back.
Definitely unhooked. Yes, I don't know.
He fell the whole front end.
Jeez, it scared me, low key.
The ESV, the extended ones, wheelies.
Oh my gosh. Well, if you want your laptop flying to the third row,
I want to check that log.
yeah. I say come to Habibi Sauce and get your Escalade-V.
I got like 10 broken laptops.
Oh my gosh, y'all.
I hope I didn't break it. He's darky.
Back. And guess what? My massage sheet still goes. I just still massaging my back. I didn't expect this. I did not expect it to be this fast.
But ain't no C7Z.
Oh, we. Wow.
You guys don't know, he owned a F1A94 C7 that don't even run.
Wow, that's how you feel? That's how you feel?
It's down right now.
It's down, it's true. It'll run one day.
Yeah.
No rush though, no rush. No rush.
Almost there, buddy. Almost there.
Almost. And then
what's left? Hop switch on.
Switch. We gotta probably add another upper pulley and change the tensioner, something like that. And then maybe we'll be straight. And then sell it and get a Maggie, right?
This guy.
Look at these people. Why you holding it like it's some nunchucks? Have you seen that? Oh, there they go.
You're going to be on the dyno. Yeah.
You really going on that dyno with this thing. Let's see what it makes.
Car's almost ready for a dyno, but it's a fresh build.
Yeah.
One more oil change. Keep in mind it's on 93. I think he'll bring it back for more power. 4 injection, low side, and we might put a Maggie on it, 2650. It make good power.
Yeah, I can tell.
Yeah, we did a bolt-on one with portable blower, headers, intake, and it made 730. So I'm assuming this one's gonna be in the 800
for sure.
And it might read low. It got a big ass tires. I told the owner, it was like, I think they're 28 inches.
Ooh.
Yeah, 30. Are they? I didn't even check the size.
They need 28s.
They're not 28.
Oh, the tire. How do I get out of here? Oh, okay. I have my hand on it.
26.
26s? Oh.
Yes. Big old tire. But he don't care, you're not changing the power. The truck look good, you know.
Just to look nice and be fast at the same time. So, the man with the laptop and the plan. I see we got this Mustang on the dyno right now, but what do you think of that first video?
I think it was alright.
Yeah, it came out pretty well.
It did
good. Yeah.
Not bad for our first video.
Not bad at all. Got a couple kinks to fix, but hey, we already working on that right now.
Just started.
This is the package that we offer here?
Yes. It's basically a max effort boosted Coyote package beside stock motor, stock trans, stock converter. We did everything to this car. Helion twin turbo kit, 62 basic journal bearings. They're good for 1100. We push it a little bit. We pushing a little bit of past 1100 just to see where we're stopping at. For innovation fuel system, ID 1300s, motor, bone stock, bottom end, head studs, head gasket, valve springs, some secrets in the valve train, so we can push it over 8,000. We shifting this car at 8,500 RPM. I would say 82, 85.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. BMRK member, Kel tracks, all around, long travels. The plan for this car, he want to see where we're stopping at. He want to build a motor so bad. Build a trans, and we did one-piece drive shaft, AWE exhaust. We're missing a lot of mods. Turbo Smart E3 boost controller, the brand new one. Turbo Smart wastegates. AN turbo lines.
Yes,
Maximum load, all AN.
This thing got the full catalog.
Yeah.
Full catalog, man. That is crazy.
CDL lockouts, a lot of stop the hop kits, UPR catch can. It got everything. So it's stock motor, stock trans.
And also, we do be hearing, they be like, 50 PSI, 60 PSI, the max you can put on these stacks.
Ain't no pumpkin pie, we push it over, I would say 24 pound, yeah.
You
Car
push it to
made
that.
11, 3 oval ported, built trans, stock motor, just literally the same shit we did to this one. Head studs, valve springs, heavy duty stuff in the valve train. Still on street tires. We made him I would say a very turned down map on 93 that makes like 650, and E85 it should make 8 pound. It's gonna be 4 or 5 maps basically through the boost controller. 8 pound, 10 pound, 12 pound, 15 pound, 18 pound, and 20 pound.
Yes,
20
sir.
pound should be a kill map. I would say it will be 1140, 1150.
Shoot, if it was me, I run kill every day, all day.
Yeah.
That's a big jump. 950 to 801. on. And you said this is on 12 pounds?
13.
13?
Almost 13, yep.
13. That's a big jump. Big jump. Jeez. That's the good thing about turbos. You always got power on the hit. What's the next jump? What we gonna go up to next?
18.
18. Jeez. How many pounds is that one? Shit.
16 pounds. 16.
16?
Yep.
Are we still going to 20? We already at 60. Okay.
Covers on it. So
Okay.
we gotta pull the covers out.
You said why it's not making boost right?
Those mesh covers and the filters on it.
Yeah, those red covers are still on there.
We be back.
You're like, why is the number going down?
And it's hot too.
It is super hot in
It's
here
so
right
hot. Just
And-
back to back, literally. We didn't cool it down.
now. And then our air quality too. You seen what they said about our air quality?
Yeah.
Coming from Canada. I don't believe that
It's
though.
like
but-
120 degree right here right now.
Yeah. So,
Only one fan running. We'll
yeah.
cool it down, turn it up 20. Those turbos are running on edge right now.
Yeah. It made 1063 at the highest with the cover still on.
And back to back start heating up. IEP's going up.
But this is with the cover still on the turbo.
Yep.
So
I'm like, adding boost, it's not taking nothing.
that's with the restriction. So, yeah. All right. Well, we're going to come back on the dyno once we got the mesh covers going and get back to the dyno runs. So those are filters that were on there. What we going to do with those? Oh. They're 2 for 2 too.
Done.
All right, now let's make some power. I guess it was those filters. 1150, 828.
I'll take that. He'd be happy.
How many pounds
Wait,
was that?
20.
Oh, 20 right
20
there.
pounds,
20.
yep. 20 PSI.
Okay. We gonna go more or?
Turbos are, yeah, they ride on edge.
Okay.
I mean, we're gonna go more, get a built motor, get an FFRE stage 2, build trans, 64, 66, we can take it up to 1500, no problem.
Okay.
I feel like this is a sweet spot. Car should go 3s, should go 8s to the quarter. I would say bottom 5 to the 8. We got a no converter, stock trans, so we'll take it for 60 to 130 for him. We're still waiting on drag pack. Whenever drag pack gets here.
Okay.
Yeah, right now, so whenever we finish the car, he was like, it's way too much power, turn it down for me. We left it at like 600 and he keeps saying it's way too much power. So
Yeah.
I feel like he's never gonna turn it up to 1150. At
He
least
better.
you wanna race like a
I hope he does. He got it right
high
there.
horsepower car.
Yeah.
Yeah, I wanna go through the gears, make sure the trend's cool, happy, and call it a day.
Yeah. Also, I don't think I said it yet. Your haircut look nice.
Oh,
Your
thank
haircut
you.
nice.
Finally, about time.
Let me stop. But yeah, this is shoot. Look good. Look, let me show y'all what else on this car. Shoot, we done raised her up now. I can see them turbos a lot better now. Jeez. What size you said these were again?
62s, journal bearings, not even ball bearings.
Exhaust go down.
Yeah, you got a full exhaust.
Yeah, and we can see all the Celtic.
AWD, catback. It came out pretty clean. Can't even tell the car runs hot. High IATs, literally matching ambient temp. You send all the heat to the back of the car.
Yeah.
That's why we always recommend bottom mount, bottom mount. People say why? Just less heat, you know?
Better temperatures.
Better IATs, back-to-back pulls. I mean, you saw we did back-to-back pulls on this car.
We
We making
did.
same power, same torque.
We did.
And he left the fan off too.
Yeah, so.
Fan was off for like 2-3 passes.
Proof right here, look. They ain't there.
Yeah, that's on the 85. On 93, it made, we left it at like 700, I
Yeah, like
think.
700. A little
Yeah,
steak
700 on E85.
Cause I like the Belgian wheels. I like the color combo. We got like a little darker maroon red, burgundy-ish with.
Got the daily driven wheels.
Oh yeah. Oh, so you got a drag pack too?
It got a drag pack, yeah.
Ooh, okay. Let's
Just
look at
don't
the
like
rear.
put a drag pack on a dyno.
Yeah.
It ruined the tire.
Yep. It turned to balloons, but yeah, car looks good. Dang, for these S650s. Ah.
We be doing a lot of S650s, ESS, Whipple, twin turbo, whatever you want. We keep all these products in stock too, and we dealer for all of them. So give us a call, email us, speak to Adam. We'll get you taken care of.
One-stop shop.
One stop.